I'm in the middle part of our journey to Vang Vieng. It's a 5-hour drive from Luang Prabang to Vang Vieng. On the way, it's a bumpy ride up and down, just like as if you were on a roller coaster. Once I got into Vang Vieng, I walked around town. I noticed that there wasn't much Lao food around, so I decided to just walk and see structures and temples, and also plan out the next few days I would be there in Vang Vieng. And so after finishing looking at all the temples, I decided to do hot air balloon. This was actually my first time ever doing the hot air balloon. I was a little nervous at first, just because we're gonna be thousands of feet in the air, but after doing it, it was so memorable. You can see across the town, through the mountains, up into the sky, and this is how tightly packed we are. And it was just so relaxing and meditative. You're only up there for a few minutes, so you really got to take everything in and enjoy. Woke up at 5 o'clock to get out here. They came to pick me up at 6:30. The sun is rising right there. You can't really see it. But we just finished, and it was an incredible experience flying all over Vang Vieng. This is truly something you should do on your trip to Vang Vieng. Unique experience, affordable, safe. Well, I'm alive, so you should be good, I hope. Okay, so I just finished my first time zip lining. It was wild. They buckled me up, all safe and sound. Had my phone the entire time, and we just zip lined down the mountain. Incredible. We went tubing down very dark caves. This was also another first. As you can see, we are all strung through a line, and this is actually the leader who's gonna be taking us through the caves, and it's a very tight space. So if you're claustrophobic, I would not recommend doing this. And it just takes you throughout the cave, and then at one point you're actually walking through the cave with your tube. And it's just really dark. You have a light on your head, and eventually we got to the Blue Lagoon, where you could just relax, do some tubing, enjoy your time, drink some beerLao. After this, we actually decided to have a very fun kayaking experience. This was another first for me. I guess I do a lot of firsts when I'm in Laos, but you can see that group just fell over, kind of frightened me for a little bit. But you are matched with one other person, and then you are just put through the river, and you just go down as fast or slow as you want. And it was really nice to just watch everyone, see the kids playing in the water, and then just enjoying your time. The sun is going down in Vang Vieng. We're at a bar after our during our kayak. This is the middle route. We're gonna head home right now. Sunset is right there. Let's see if I can. Yep, that's sunset. Got my gear on, and I'm ready to go home.